is Lauren. Wait, what's your name again, Alex? Okay, it's Alex. Okay, I have lots of jokes to tell. But this is the first one. What does the cowboy do? The cowboy has 3 names. His horse only has 1. What's his horse name? Say what, Mom?
What?
Poop Snack! Okay. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Poop.
Poop who?
Butt poop.
More.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
My family.
Your family who?
Your family is... This family lives in... One family lives in the toilet. Poop family!
Tell a joke without the word poop in it.
Okay. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Pig.
Pee who?
Pee
Tell a joke without pee or poop in it.
Okay. What does the TV do when it's not working?
What?
It does nothing, but it turns on.
You don't have any more knock-knock jokes?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Light.
Lights who?
The light burns out, but the light goes on.
These are getting silly.
Waddle, waddle. Penguin joke. I got a penguin joke. Okay, now. Penguin.
Penguin who?
There's a penguin in your hair.
Ah!
Get it up, get it up. That's all the jokes for today. We'll keep sending you more, but I'm just getting tired.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Alex.
Bye.
Bye, Alex. Bye. See you next time on the new videos. Bye, bye. Oh, there's one last joke. Poopy. Goodbye, Alex. Goodbye, Alex. Goodbye.